everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a nice, just a slick little 1969 Firebird convertible, great body style. These cars are fun. You see a lot less of them than you do Camaros. That's what I like about them. And this is a good one, guys. I actually took this car in on trade from a gentleman here locally. He's owned the car for 20 years. I just think this is just one of those cars, if you're looking for a good, straight, honest car to just take your local shows and cruises, a nice, straight driver, I think you're really going to like this car. Price is going to be good. It's finished in Bolero red. That's not the original color. It's got the Parchment interior, that's correct, but that's been all redone. Car was restored 20 years ago. Like I say, the guys had it ever since it's been a great car. Rally 2 wheels on it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. 4-speed car. Original 350 car, power steering, power disc brakes. Good, honest, straight old car. You can pick it a little bit, and I'll kind of show you some spots that I've seen in it. But it's nice. Super slick little car. You can see this is the original chrome, and there's a couple little ding marks in it. Again, nothing to mess with. I mean, you can buy this piece if you want. You can see a couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it. But this is a good car. And it drives great. Shifts out good. Again, a couple little dings and some chrome around there. I've seen that. Glass is nice. They've definitely redone this interior. You can see it's got the wood grain package. Power convertible top. It's got the plastic rear window. He's got 2 boots in the trunk for it. Top's nice. And you see just a couple little things that you can look at, but really nice little car. Paint slick. Like I say, if you're looking for something to turn the key and go have fun, I think you'll have a blast with this little car. Rally 2 wheels, BFGs all the way around it. It's nice and straight down the sides. Rear bumper's nice. I'd say they've replaced that. Car's only got 73,000 original miles on it, though. Again, same thing, nice and straight on this side. The only thing I did to it, I changed the mufflers. The mufflers kind of sounded funky on it, so I put some new Flowmaster mufflers. But other than that, we wiped it down, detailed it up, and that's about it. Good car. Does have the disc brakes on the front. Good looking bird. Again, 350, 4-speed manual trans, 4-barrel Edelbrock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes. Shifts out good, clutch is good. Yeah, just a good, straight old car, guys. Paint slick. Stock driver's mirror. They definitely had to replace those door fuzzes at one time. I think the door handles are original. They're pretty doggone nice. I think these are original. Door seams are nice and clean. I think they've replaced this stuff. They've definitely redone these seats because they're too nice. Missing a little cover on their speaker cover. They put aftermarket speakers in the doors. It's got an aftermarket radio system in it. Bucket seats are really nice. Again, they've definitely been repadded, refoamed. Back seats nice. Stock steering wheel, it looks good. Little crack on both sides there. Yeah, they got the old code alarm thing on the dash. Power top. You can see the gauges are nice and clean. 73,000 original miles. Dash is original, aftermarket radio. It's got the Hurst shifter. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock 10-bolt rear end, no big gear, definitely something you can get in and cruise. Body panel wise, I think if I remember right, they put floor pans in this car. They tied the frame too, so if you wanted to put some real horsepower to it, you can. Again, he's got the original boot, and then this is a new one. All spackle coat in the trunk, jack with spares in here. Good car, man. And like I say, real fun car to drive. Shifts out good, convertible with a 4-speed, you don't see a lot of that. Everything opens and closes nice. Good car. And you don't have to break the bank to buy it. Everything's 50, 60, 80, 100,000 now. And this car's gonna be priced under 40. Looks like the original carpet actually is still in it. Boy, I'll tell you what, when you drive a convertible, white interior is the way to go, man. Leave this thing at a car show with the top down and you don't come back and blister up your doggone legs. Black interior is a little rough sometimes in a convertible. Like I say, this is a good car. Nice and tight, shifts out good. They say the guy, he owned it for 20 years. He says it's been a great car. He always wanted a 65 fastback Mustang, and we got one in, and we did some horse trading. Parking brake works. All the gauges work. Put your top up there. Just run it up a little bit. I took some pictures of it too. The top's in good shape. There's a little mark there. That's a nice, I mean, this is a great car. Great sound. I know the blower motor works, radio work, Nathan? It does? Radio does work, guys? Oh, it's on in there, I see it. Again, doors open and close nice, wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by let me share. You can do that by clicking the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time